Three Lesotho nationals have made their first appearance in the Johannesburg Magistrate Court after surviving victims allegedly helped police identify them in connection with the devastating Cleveland mass shooting that shocked South Africa earlier this month. The accused, 34-year-old Mulebeli Musia, 32-year-old Ramone Tsebela, and 26-year-old Zipho Metsing are facing combined 13 counts of murder and 14 counts of attempted murder following the deadly attack at the Jumpers Informal Settlement in Cleveland, Johannesburg on the 9th of June 2026. The shooting is one of the deadliest mass shootings reported in Gauteng this year. According to the National Prosecuting Authority, the suspects are alleged to have acted together with other individuals who have not yet been arrested. Prosecutors allege that the groups drove into the informal settlement before opening the fire on residents, unleashing a hail of bullets that left 13 people dead and 14 others seriously injured. The attack sent shockwaves through the community, with many families losing loved ones in a matter of minutes. Residents described scene of panic and chaos as people ran for cover, while others desperately tried to help the wounded before emergency services arrived. Authorities say the investigation made significant progress thanks to the cooperation of the surviving victims. While receiving treatment in hospital, investigators collected statements from those who had survived the attack. Once they had recovered insufficiently and were discharged, some of the survivors reportedly accompanied police officers to the Mai informal settlement, where they allegedly identified 3 accused as being involved in the shooting. Following these identifications, police arrested the 3 suspects. They have remained in custody since their arrest, while detectives continue investigating the case and searching for additional suspects believed to have participated in the attack. During their brief appearance in the Johannesburg Magistrate Court, the matter was postponed until 2 July 2026. The postponement will allow authorities to verify the accused's residential address and make preparations for a formal bail application. The National Prosecuting Authority has reaffirmed its commitment to ensuring that everyone responsible for the massacre is brought before the courts. Prosecutors may say investigations are ongoing and a further arrests have not been ruled out. Police are also continuing to examine forensic evidence, interview additional witnesses, and gather information that could strengthen the case against the accused and identify any remaining suspects. The Cleveland mass shooting has once again raised concerns about violent crimes and the widespread availability of illegal firearms in South Africa. Community members have called for stronger policing, tougher actions against organized crime groups, and improved protection for residents living in informal settlements. As the legal process unfolds, the families of the 13 victims continue to seek justice for their loved ones, while the survivors face the difficult task of recovering from both their physical injuries and the emotional trauma caused by the attack. The three accused remain behind bars pending their next court appearance on 2 July 2026. When the court is expected to hear further details regarding the bail process. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you believe the surviving victims' identifications will play a crucial role in securing justice? Share your views respectfully in the comments below. If you found this update informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our latest news and court updates from across South Africa. Thank you so much for watching.